we're getting older. Oh, hello there.
Coming up at 6 o'clock.
I'm so sorry. Let me just turn this down. Don't mind me. I'm just cooking well. Welcome to Warrior Weekly. It's been a while, so I'm about to fill you in on what we've missed since we've been gone. Prom went amazing, and the king and queen was announced as Mikey Ashley and Mac and Score. Military ball was also a huge success with special honors towards Mr. Jordan and Miss McNeil for their accomplishments. Theater class had successful shows as well with their plays Hush and Wiley and the Hairy Man. With it being Miss Pass's 20th year at West, there was an alumni concert where students from her past 20 years were allowed to come back and perform with us. Oh, look! The cookies are done! Why don't we jump into the next segment, shall we, with an interview with our new BC. Oh my gosh, they stuck together. Oops.
How did your hike at Appalachian Trail go?
Hike went good. We hiked 18 miles. We started at Roan Mountain from Tennessee, so I think that's where it was. But yeah.
And did you hurry at the end, or
Yeah,
were you going pretty steady?
We were going pretty good. We went like 4 or 5 miles a day. We were there for 3 days, and yeah, at the last day when we got home, I was pretty sore. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.
RJ Roberts, who just found out he's the winner of our school talent show. RJ, can you tell us a little bit about what you're feeling?
It's actually unexpected, actually.
So, Josh and Angel, as you just found out moments ago, you placed second in the school talent show. Can you give us your reaction a little bit?
Really excited. Did not expect it at all.
Awesome. It's really exciting. Yeah.
Is it something you expected?
Absolutely not.
Nope, not at all.
Davon, who was a contestant in our West talent show, and as you just found out moments ago, you placed second out of all the 20 contestants. So tell us a little bit about what you're feeling.
I'm kind of happy, honestly, because I didn't think I would get that far. I mean, I heard like everyone liked it, but like I know there were like a few people that didn't like it, so I was like, okay, that's kind of nerve-wracking. So yeah.
Gotcha. All right, so we're here with Andrea and Megan, who performed in the talent show Thursday and Friday. Ladies, you just found out moments ago that you won Fans' Choice. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I'll talk first. When I figured out, I was really nervous doing the talent show, but she talked me into it because she's always done it throughout the years. But when I figured out we got first place for Fans' Choice, that blew my mind because I don't really know many people, and just to know that we won Fans' Choice. Yeah, I was surprised.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about the performance you did for those who didn't get to see it?
I played and I sang a song. Beautiful, Crazy by Luke Combs.
Our performance, or our theme, was The Purge. If you haven't watched the movie, it's like people who wear masks and they go out for the government or something like that. And we had our own mashup, which like we took songs that we wanted to do, we kind of put it together. Like we had Shaggy with cool songs, and we did Masks that glue up in the dark, and it was just really cool. That it wound up the crowd.
It was kind of like a reggae type. It was a reggae song, and like the dance was kind of reggae, but it wasn't all the way reggae. So.
Okay. So after you performed, you got a huge response from the crowd. How did that feel?
Makes me feel loved.
Honestly, it felt great. Like when I was dancing, I didn't feel like my choreography was the best. Hearing it from other people that it was really good, that kind of made me feel better about dancing. So now I won't second guess myself anymore.
Oh, I think we just hugged each other and cried.
We did. I fully cried.
It was awesome.
I remember the crowd really reacting to your group of people. Everybody, what it was like when you heard everybody cheering for you, your dance.
I couldn't hear the music. Yeah, I was gonna say I couldn't hear the music, and I was about to get really nervous because I didn't know if I was gonna miss my part. So I was like, they need to shut up for a second.
Because they had like the lighters for the Friday show.
Well, not real lighters. We're in school.
Well,
flashlights.
And I cried.
That was honestly one of the best ones that I've ever done, ever.
So you say it was perfect.
It was perfect. Good morning.
First priority is about providing a safe spot for everybody to meet, no matter their religion. This club means to me that it doesn't just have to be one person. It means you can be surrounded by multiple people, even if they're a different faith group, and have a reasonable conversation. Don't be afraid of ROTC. They're not gonna bite. I promise.
First and foremost, what is Essentials.tf?
Well, Essentials.tf is a community group that organizes and casts numerous amount of tournaments for Team Fortress 2, currently 10-year-old FPS game. It is also worth noting that this is a complete community effort and it's only just people volunteering at the moment.
What is your involvement in the organization?
I currently manage and organize the graphics to be done for promotional purposes. I also do graphics myself on occasions. Most of the stuff I do usually involves promo posters using Source Filmmaker, Photoshop. I usually do concept art and logo work sometimes.
What is Source Filmmaker?
Source Filmmaker is mainly animation software, but I use it usually along with numerous other people for 3D art as well. I currently have around 672 hours at the time of this interview, and while that may sound like a lot, there's a lot more people that are definitely way more professional, have a lot more hours in it than I do.
What is your most proudest work since being on Essentials?
My quote-unquote crowning achievement, so to speak, was a set of weapon icons I created that I call Tinker Tools, which basically is over like 150 weapons that I had to make weapon icons I had to make to over the course of the summer and months into school. That took a long time and I was generally proud of and still am today.
Why were you brought on the Essentials.tf team?
I used to hang out with the owner of the organization during post shows.
This is really shocking and horrible experience for me. Look how shocked I am. Oh, I'm so shocked and sad. I can't believe someone would do this.
I used to hang out with the owner, Ben, during post shows of a podcast that we used to watch together, and he learned about my SFM skills, so he decided to hire me on the team. Eventually, he decided to give me a management position as well.
What is your reasons for staying with Essentials?
Of course, since it's a nonprofit organization, I don't currently make money in it, which I may hope that will be changed at some point. But however, the experience I gained through it is great, and all the friends I met throughout my time working there has been valuable to me.